हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू योगबेला। आई एम प्रीति। आज की प्रैक्टिस में हमारा फोकस रहेगा पोस्चर करेक्शन पर। करंट लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर इम्पैक्टेड बाय दिस प्रॉब्लम। हम लोगों ने स्लाउच करना स्टार्ट कर दिया है, जिसकी वजह से वी डोंट स्टैंड टॉल, वी डोंट सिट अपराइट। एंड ये सिर्फ हमारी फिजिकल अपीयरेंस को इम्पैक्ट नहीं करता है, ये हमें देता है बहुत सारे डिजीजेस। तो जब पोस्चर इनकरेक्ट होता है, लंग्स की कैपेसिटी को फुल्ली यूज नहीं किया जा सकता, कार्डियोवास्कुलर इश्यूज हो जाते हैं, डाइजेशन प्रॉपर नहीं होता, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आपकी स्पाइन में वो कर्व आ जाता है, जिसकी वजह से होता है क्रॉनिक बैक पेन। आज के इस 15 मिनट सीक्वेंस में मैंने 7 आसनास को इंक्लूड किया है, जिसमें हम साथ में फ्लो करेंगे। टू गेट बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दिस सीक्वेंस फॉर 2 वीक्स। एंड अगर आपको रिजल्ट्स देखने हैं, गेट अ पिक्चर क्लिक्ड ऑफ योरसेल्फ ऑन डे 1 एंड देन अनदर पिक्चर आफ्टर 2 वीक्स एंड देन see the change. So let's get started. तो स्टार्ट करेंगे आज की प्रैक्टिस गोमुखा हैंड्स के साथ। We'll hold each side for 10 deep breaths. अगर आप वज्रासना में नहीं बैठ सकते तो आप क्रॉस लेग पोस्चर में भी बैठ सकते हो। Extend your right arm up. Bend. Left goes from down, interlock. Right elbow pointing up, left elbow pointing down, chest open, chin parallel to the floor. When you do this posture, बहुत बार tendency होती है chin goes close to the chest. Please make sure you don't do that, otherwise you may get neck pain. So make sure chin parallel to the floor. Breathe there. एंड बाई चांस आप इंटरलॉक नहीं कर सकते हो अपने हैंड्स को, यू कैन ग्रैब योर टी शर्ट और मे बी अ स्ट्रैप बिटवीन योर हैंड्स। 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Slowly, gently extend your arms up, release. Now the other side, extend your left arm up, place your left palm on your upper back, right hand goes from down, interlock. Chin parallel to the floor. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Slowly extend your arms up. Exhale, release. Now the next posture is downward facing dog. How you will know that what is the right distance between your palms and your feet. Find your child pose with full extension of your arms. From there, don't change the position of your palms. Onto your knees, tuck your toes and take your knees off. Downward facing dog. So this is the right distance between your palms and your feet. Keep your fingers wide open. Shoulders externally rotated. Shoulder blades away from each other. So you should have a kind of flat upper back. Gaze at your knees and keep your feet hip width apart. And by chance you have tight hamstrings, in that case keep your knees slightly bent, and it's okay if your heels off the floor. Make sure that you have good length in your spine. Do not compromise with the length of your spine.
You can compromise with your legs, keep them bent, it's okay. With practice, once you attain good length in your spine, you can straighten your legs. We'll be holding this posture for 10 deep breaths. Any variation, either the legs bent one or straight one. Whichever variation feels comfortable today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10.
Look forward, come forward, lie down on your abdomen. Now placing your forearms down for Sphinx. Elbow comes right under your shoulder. Fingers wide open. Shoulders away from your ears. So make sure you're not doing this. Shoulders should stay away from your ears. Once you attain this posture, press your palms into the mat and lift your elbows off. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This practice is called as Saral Bhujanga. I made you do this to prepare for Bhujangasana. Now release. Now place your palms either side of the chest. Shoulders rolled back. Elbows close to your ribcage. Now slowly with an inhalation, lift your chest up. Breathe. Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You must be feeling a lot in your mid back and your lower back. 8, 9 and 10. You can relax here in Makarasana. Spread your legs wide, heels in, toes out, right palm over the left palm. Relax your cheek on that. Now the next posture is Dhanurasana. Bend your knees, grab your respective ankles. Now we'll go for Dhanura breathing first, and then after 5 counts we'll hold the posture for 5 deep breaths. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, exhale. When you exhale, either keep your forehead down or keep your chin down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now the next round we are going to hold for 5 deep breaths. It's an excellent back bend. Inhale up, Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3. You can close your eyes and feel the pulsating of navel. Keep deepening it. And try breathing deeper. I know it's very challenging to breathe in back bends, but try breathing deeper. 4 and 5. Slowly release with an exhalation. Back to natural breath. Your breath would have become faster. Lengthen and deepen your breath. And now we'll practice Dhanurasana one more time. 5 deep breaths. With your right hand, grab your right ankle, left hand, left ankle. Now slowly, with an inhalation, come up. Breathe. This time actually you can go deeper than your last time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Good. Now place your palms either side of the chest. Press your palms into the mat. Sit up in child pose. Buttocks on your heels. Relax your forehead. You can release your arms by the side of your body. Lengthen your breath, deepen your breath. Slowly come up. Next posture is Prasarita Padottanasana C, wide leg forward bend C. So first get into downward facing dog. From there, step your right foot forward in between your palms. Turn your right toes in, left toes out. So basically here, your feet facing forward or maybe slightly turned in. It's a wide stance between your legs. But your feet, they're never pointing out. Both the hands at your waist, lift your chest up. Your arms at shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale, interlock your fingers. Inhale, roll back your shoulders. Exhale, bend forward. Breathe there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come up with an inhalation. Hands at your waist. Turn your right toes in. Your left toes also turned in. Place your fingertips down. Bend your right knee. Place your palms down and send your right leg back. Now we'll be holding plank for good core strength. Not only just back bends give you good posture, but a good core will help you in standing tall. Breathe there. Make sure your wrist comes right under your shoulder. You are pushing through your heels and your tailbone is dropped in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Next posture is Matsyasana. It's an excellent chest opener. Not only it gives you good posture, along with that it helps you in releasing your emotions. So now we'll go for fish pose. Use your elbows, lift your head up. Now roll back your shoulders, open your chest, drop your head back, put the crown of your head down. You can use elbow support to deepen your posture. Chest nicely lifted up and stay. Now slowly again use your elbows, lift the crown off and lie down. Spread your legs wide, toes falling either side. Take a moment to acknowledge the experience of last practices. Quickly scan your spine. Just observe how you are feeling around your upper back, middle back, and lower back. Bring your feet together, turn to any one side, sit up. Thank you so much for your practice. आज की सीक्वेंस सिर्फ पोस्चर करेक्शन पर ही काम नहीं करती है, बिकॉज इसमें बहुत सारे चेस्ट ओपनर्स हैं, तो ये इमोशनल लेवल पर भी काम करती है. तो कैसा रहा आप लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस, मेरे साथ कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर ज़रूर करना. एंड 2 वीक्स तक रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद आपके पोस्चर में जो चेंज था वो भी आप मेरे साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. नमस्ते.